I can't wait to test this out, guys. This seems so cool. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Eris. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Eris Atelier. So today I am actually unboxing a rotary tool. Before I even start anything, yes, you need a rotary tool. It's basically for those people that cannot afford the grinding wheel. So if you don't have that, you can actually opt for rotary tools. So that out of the way, today we're actually unboxing a rotary tool by HOTO. It was actually sent to me by the company, so I'm supposed to give like a puff of how it functions and the general feel of the product. So we are going to have that feel today. So this is like my first collaboration of this type of nature. I guess we start from this and we grow to other things. But yes, I actually have been looking for a rotary tool, a mini rotary tool rather, because the way my studio is set up, I can't have like the big grinder, because that one tends to leave a lot of particles and it's not really easy to move around. But with something like this now, I can use it both at home and in my studio. So for we that are into leather craft, and if you work with genuine leather, this is also for you. You can use it when you're making belts or when you want to grind out the edges of your wallet, card holders. It could be anything. So today is basically just unboxing, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to have like a tutorial up very soon, because from the pictures I saw online, it was looking like all sleek and suave. So let's actually unbox this and see how it actually is. So I actually got this today, so let's unbox. Okay, so let's rip into this. So having something like this would actually be a good addition to. Ooh, I hope I like this because it already looks really nice from the box. You can already see the slicky. I mean, from the picture you can't even tell it's a grinding tool, because I'm going to put pictures of what power tools, like the regular ones, the Dremel, what's that popular company, do I even know? Make it happen. So make it happen. Wow, this is nice. Okay, there is a second layer of packaging. It's a hey, power tool that went to Harvard. This is so nice. You can already tell that I like the feel of the product. I like the concept, because I have it. I'm sure I'm going to look for a picture of the drill I already have, so you guys will understand. So you understand what I mean by this one. They really put in effort in the design. Okay, so in the casing, I guess this is for storage and mobility, like if you want to move around with it. So in the casing, first, okay, you have the manual HOTO lithium electric grinder. So it means it's rechargeable. Okay, then there is a cord for charging the battery. Is the base. I guess it also has like two knobs as a charging point of this thing. So I guess is actually what you plug the handle to. And there is okay, these are compartments for storage for the drill bits. Okay, I'm already seeing them inside. Let's see what's in it. Let's see what we got here. Okay, yeah, I was right. The drill bits. Okay, there's a tiny screwdriver for adjusting, and oh yeah, I think, yeah, this is a head that you fit the sanding. I don't know, I tend to forget this thing, but yeah, these are the ones for sanding. So in our own world now, where we have to sand down edges of our purses, so I actually have a burnishing head. I'm sure I'm going to review everything together, so we actually get to test this out. But today is just show and tell. So I'm just going to open this one by one. Everything is already packaged in small nylons. I think it's so packaging in their industry, in the factory, would have been easier. R for drilling. So we move to the main tool itself. So even looking at this, you can already see there's a lot of effort put into the design of this handle. This is so cool. So if you want to fix you hold down this button. I think it's pretty the same. It's a very similar concept. The design is just made to fit better like a glove. So you let it go and it fits. There is a button here and there are numbers 1 to 5. I'm assuming is the speed. Then there is a point at the bottom. I guess that all fits into this. So you adjust your speed. So if you press the button, it starts to spin, and it actually has LED light on it. So you can increase your speed with moving the button. Wow. I can't wait to test this out, guys. This seems so cool. So this is the lowest speed is 1, and you can move it to 5. And you can see this, and the light is on. So if you take it down to 1 and then it turns off. So that is it. It's really easy to operate. So we plug this to electricity, and then you plug your cord to this. Let me use this one. You see the blinking light. It's sort of pulsating, so that means that it's charging. This plastic cover point, this is sort of like a protective cover, so you look through what you want to do and you don't have like particles flying into your eyes. So if you don't have goggles, people like me, I know I don't wear goggles when I file down something sometimes, so this is like an extra layer of protection, so you don't have like particles of whatever you're working on or whatever you're filing down flying into your eyes. So first my takeaway is I would give this a 10 for the design. It's so sleek, it makes so much sense, and the feel of the plastic, it's kind of soft, so you don't get that sweaty, slippery, so it has like a really good grip. And if you hold this in public, it doesn't even look like a rotary tool. It's so nice and so sleek. Guys, I hope you love this as much as I did, and I hope to hear from you guys on what you think on this rotary tool. I'm going to put some links and basically any information you're going to need to get this one or to get any rotary tool at all. But basically, rotary tools are essential in our crafts. I hope you liked this video. I hope to hear from you soon. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you don't just make bags, we also do way more on this channel. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will definitely see you in my next post.